Dahlia and welcome back to Spreading Flour. So this week I'm going to share with you a really super simple and healthy recipe on how to make a caramel sauce. It really does turn out so delicious, so I can't wait to share it with you, so let's get started. Refrigerate 2 cans of coconut milk overnight, then open them from the bottom and pour out the coconut milk. Then you'll be left with coconut cream at the bottom. This is the thick cream that you will be left with. Pour 2 cans of the coconut cream into a pot, then add 3/4 cup of coconut sugar and 2 tablespoons of honey. Now I'm going to give this a good mix and then head over to the stove. Mix this over medium-high heat until everything dissolves. Then bring up the heat all the way to high and let boil for about 15 minutes. Mix every 2 minutes, then set the pot aside and turn off the heat and pour it into a bowl to cool off. Now cover your bowl with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for about 4 hours or overnight, and then you will end up with this gorgeous creamy sauce. One tip I have for you is to use it right away out of the fridge. Don't leave it out sitting on your counter for a few hours or else it will become very thick. And another tip is that you should not microwave it to make it thinner, or else your ingredients will separate and you'll have an oil. This can be fixed by leaving the oily mixture on the counter for 20 minutes and then whisking it for a few minutes until it becomes thick again. So just make sure to use it from straight out of the fridge. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos every week. The full recipe will be in the description box below, so if you're on a computer, just press the show more button, but if you're on a phone, there will be a little gray arrow underneath the video. Press that and then you can see the full recipe, and I'll see you next week. Thanks again for watching. Bye!